Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Strength in reverse, Four of Wands in reverse, and Judgment in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you feel really stressed or weak. Maybe you are having some illness or someone close to you is having some illness, and that is affecting the way things are in your situation, affecting your work potential, and you don't know what to do. Or maybe for some of you it may be some habits. Maybe this person is having some addictions or some bad habits like drinking or smoking, and you are the one who is in a position to take care of this person. So again, that is causing lot of worries for you, stress for you. So their addictions are worrying you a lot today, guys, and you don't know which way to go or what to do, how to decide or how to change this situation today, guys, in your life. And maybe for some of you, you are in a good job and an important job, and the way you behave or the way you handle the situation, people may see you as a very strict or an arrogant person, the way you handle your situation, and they may feel that you are using your power and your position to make some decisions, or you make people do their work. So some kind of the way you work or the way you make people do their work, people may see you as someone rigid, stubborn, and they may not like your ways, guys, way you handle them. So it may be a situation in your work, or it may be the way in this relationship. Maybe this person does not like the way you are trying to dominate or control their actions. Maybe you want the best things for them, you have clear knowledge and experience, that is the reason you are telling them, but they may not understand, guys. This person you are in relationship with, they may not understand that you are doing all that for their welfare. Or if it is a situation regarding these addictions, you are making some drastic decisions to help this person or to bring them out of these addictions, but they do not understand your ways and they feel really irritated with you, guys, Sagittarius, for handling them in such a way, or trying to be really rigid in this situation. But whatever it is, guys, Sagittarius, you may be facing some troubles, whatever your situation may be. There are some happy things also today for you. So there is some celebration happening today, and maybe certain things are going in the right way. Again, it may be a situation in your relationship, or it may be a situation in your work situation, guys. So you are celebrating this love or celebrating a new project or a promotion. Something positive is also happening in your life today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys, and you are feeling harmony, balance, and peace of mind and happiness today, prosperity in your situation. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and you are enjoying great success today in your work or in your personal life, guys. So that is the reading, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card, and this is your first crystal and second crystal. So you can either choose the crystals or the cards. So before choosing, we will close our eyes, meditate for a few seconds, think about our situation that needs to be answered. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this crystal and this card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. Let's see what it is. It's an angel card, guys, and it is Archangel Raphael. So with this card, whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today, helping us out in this particular situation. So this angel stands for healing, guys, healing at all levels. Healing mentally, spiritually, emotionally, and physically. And his healing light will ensure safety for us, safe travel, and guiding us and helping us, assisting us to reach our destination. So it may be a destination we may be reaching physically, or it may be a dream destination for ourselves, maybe the emotional growth that we have, vision for ourselves, or a spiritual growth that we have hopes for in our future. So whatever the destination is, this angel is here guiding us to have that potential and choosing a nurturing and a very healthy lifestyle for us to follow, so that it will increase our potential we have in our life, guys. And with this card, there is also that energy for you to heal yourself and help others also to heal in their situation. So whatever is beneficial for you and for the people around you or the people with you, to help them in their physical and spiritual growth. So you should go for those actions, and we will get that insight and clarity in our situation. So whatever needs to be done, that is what this angel is here guiding us today, guys. So maybe it is time we are maybe in a circumstance healing from something, maybe healing from an illness or healing from some emotional stress, and this angel is here guiding us today to get that clarity, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading with this card. So let's keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we will see what is the card, and it says come to the edge. So with this card, guys, it just means that today it is the time for us to take that leap of faith in our situation, overcoming fear and accepting the risk that we are facing today in that circumstance. So in a relationship, sometimes we need to take a risk. So we often hide ourselves, protect ourselves, so we never reveal what we truly feel to that other person. But today, maybe you need to take that risk yourself, allow yourself to be truly seen. So what you are, you need to show it to that other person. So it is important for you to speak up, voice what you need and say what you want, and only then this person will understand you and you will be able to build an authentic relationship. So if you want a deep meaningful relationship, this is not the time for you to play it safe, but it is the time to take that leap of faith, take that one step towards truth and reveal what you truly want to this other person. And you have to have courage in your heart, guys, and need not fear about what this person will think or what they will assume of you. So you have to just show them the truth, and you need not fear. The results will be amazing, and you will feel wonderful for having shown this person your true nature, your true feelings, and your true emotions. And this is the time for that. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.